All right, let me check this shit. All right, we're good. Dude, I literally just shot an entire video without turning on my mic. This is the only reason why I hate this stupid mic, because sometimes I just forget to turn it on and I shoot a video, a whole segment of a video, and yeah, go to check it out and find out there's no voice to the entire video. So that is super annoying, but whatever. Well, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Dude, I want to start off by telling everybody thank you so much. Everybody that is new and subscribed, I truly appreciate you guys so much, and you guys will never stop hearing me thanking you guys enough. If you guys are part of the 60% that is watching my videos and are not subscribed yet, please help me out. Smash that subscribe button. I truly would appreciate that so much. It would just help you out. It'll help me out. Let's just do it. Smash the subscribe button. As you guys know, we're going through all of these hard times right now, and it is super tough just getting content out, especially with us car vloggers. It is not so easy to just go out and shoot content, because there's really nowhere where we can go and just have fun and stuff like that. I mean, we can go out and drive, but you guys probably want to see a little bit more than just driving. So I was actually thinking about updating you guys on my garage fleet, I guess I should say. So before any more talking, let's just get right to this video. I want to show you guys pretty much everything that I still have and talk to you guys about what I don't have. So you guys obviously know that I don't have the dually. Some people think I still have it. I don't have the dually anymore. I have no idea where it's at. I'm not even sure if they've sold it yet. And I also, in the last video, I had mentioned about the Lamborghini. I don't have the Lamborghini anymore. That thing has been gone for years. So and I still get asked to this day if I still have the Lamborghini. I don't have it anymore. So the other white dually, I don't know if you guys know about it, Snow White, that thing is still around. My cousin has it. That's the one that went to SEMA. My last Hummer with the 18-inch lift, that thing I don't have anymore, but I know exactly where it's at. I know the person that owns it, and that is just like 2 towns over. That Hummer was also dope, and I do miss that thing. That thing was so much fun to drive, and the system in that thing was just insane. It was like 10,000 watts. It was just insane. Well, anyways, let's get to this video. I'm going to show you guys all the vehicles. Here's a quick little glance at what I was actually looking at while I was talking to you guys. So let's get started with this. So as you guys know, I have the black DURAMAX here. You guys have always seen this one. Soon, hopefully soon, we're going to be able to do the giveaway, so you guys be patient on that. Then we have my McLaren, which is probably one of my top favorites in the garage. And then here we have, this is actually my brother's Dodge Viper. It is Pro Charged. It's around 800 horsepower to the wheels. That thing is just freaking insane. And you guys know that I have plenty of upgrades coming to that. So sorry I went back to this one, but I just kind of want to explain them piece by piece. Let's just get started with the truck. I do have new tires for the truck. They're already at the shop. I just need to go mount them. I'm going to go with 33s. It's just a look that I used to like. These are 35s, and I'll actually lower it a little bit, give it a little nicer ride and stuff, a better look. This one, I have a lot of stuff happening to this one. So as you guys know, we just did the first mod. That is the agency power lowering springs. The thing looks just amazing. It just completely changed the entire car. Love it. I have the big wing coming, full exhaust system, downpipes, everything. And then body panels we're gonna do side skirt skid plates, then a diffuser, front splitter, and probably a different front bumper. You guys will see all the body panels that'll be happening to this. A full race livery wrap that's going to be happening to that. This car right here, as I said, is my brother's. This thing is all done up motor wise. It is lowered about an inch. It's got Eibach 1-inch lowering suspension all around. It's got the BBS ultralight wheels, and it's got the Toyo Tire R888s, as you guys know that I put those on. That thing just hooks. And the car, seriously, all the power that it has, it is a drift machine, not even lying. It is scary to drive, but the scary and me being an adrenaline junkie just makes it that much more fun. This is the Range Rover Sport that I obviously got for Jordan, so I never really get to drive this thing because yeah, that's the one that she drives. It is super dope though. We recently just did a full color matching on it, so you guys can see all the bottom plastics are all painted white, and then kind of chose different colors from what they come from the factory when they are color matched. Like the black piece there is usually silver or whatever, but that's pretty much what we did with that one. Painted the mirrors, they used to be white. These used to be silver. Painted the stock wheels. Now we actually do have 22-inch staggered wheels that are actually sitting right there, but she did hit a pothole one time and completely shattered one of the wheels, so that wheel is done. Range Rover actually comes with this thing as just plastic, so I actually got that painted because that plastic gets super nasty, and ever since we painted it, it's been perfect. As you guys can see, the back smoked the tail lights, smoked the rear fog lights, which is really weird that it has those, but they're smoked in black. And we actually did a custom X-pipe exhaust on this thing, which sounds amazing. It is super dope. You guys can go back to a video where I do talk about the rebuild of this entire thing. Here we have one of my other favorites. It is a CRF 450. As you guys know, I love riding dirt bikes. I've literally been riding dirt bikes since I was a little tiny kid, like little kid. I've been riding dirt bikes pretty much all my life and love getting nasty on them. So that thing is just like the stress relief, like go out and ride, wheelie, do jumps, everything that I can. Another one that used to be one of my favorites, this one's actually for sale. It is fun to ride. This thing is built right. Like if you guys can see, all of this is actually chromed. So none of it, there's no chrome caps or anything like that. This was actually taken off and chromed. Everything on here, it was built right is what I'm trying to say. This thing is amazing. It's got the Carlini 1.5-inch handlebars, 19-inch. This thing is just so dope. So if you guys are actually interested in this bike, comment down below, DM me on Instagram or wherever you guys can get a hold of me. I'll be happy to show you guys that. Now, one of my top favorites is obviously the 2019 Tomcat MB boat back here that I have. It's an F22. This thing is just amazing. Now, it's amazing when the lake is open. Right now it sucks because the lake is closed, but honestly guys, this is one of our top favorites. Sydney's favorite for sure. I love watching her grow up at the lake. She just loves hitting the lake every single time. She has so much fun. But let me climb up in here and show you guys the interior. The spec of this thing is just so amazing. Take my shoes off. I'm up in here. So you got all this dope gator step right here, and then it comes in. This thing's like pearl white. It's so dope. All this vinyl is like pearl white. Then it goes in with the Tiffany color interior with the pearl white. Kind of reminds me of like a 57 Bel Air, just something of that nature, like all hot rod. Super dope. Haven't really done much to this boat other than tinting the windshield, adding more speakers, amplifier. This thing is ridiculously loud. It sounds so good. But this thing is so much fun. As you guys, I don't know if you guys are boaters or you guys are going to be boaters after you guys watch my vlogs when we're out at the lake with this thing. I'm sorry for all the trash in the back of the DURAMAX, by the way. Here we have 3 surfboards and then my wakeboard, obviously. But I honestly, dude, this boat, like you guys will just see, there's going to be plenty of vlogs coming with this thing, especially now that it's super hot. Let me get down from this thing. Put my shoes back on. This is kind of embarrassing having all my cars out like this. Too bad, or a good thing is that the driveway kind of is being blocked by like the bushes and stuff here and the trees, because it's kind of embarrassing. People probably think that I'm trying to show off, but I'm really just trying to make a video for you guys. But yeah, there you guys have it, dude. I mean, I'm super excited about the lake vlogs. Those should be coming here soon. I haven't seen anybody really do any lake vlogs like that. And then obviously the supercar stuff, that thing, you guys are gonna have so much fun following that build of the McLaren. I really hope that I'm keeping you guys entertained with my little videos here and there. If you guys do get to watching this thing throughout these hard times, I know it's super hard, especially for us car vloggers. There really isn't much for us to go out and do other than just go drive around, but really can't be doing anything fun like car meets and hanging out with people and stuff like that, and other supercars that you guys would probably be interested in. So as soon as anything like that opens up, of course we're going to hit it up and you guys will be coming there with me. This is going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much to everybody that has been subscribing, and if you're part of that 60% that is not subscribed yet, I don't know what you guys are waiting for, but just help me out. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post another video, which I like to post 2 to 3 videos per week, so you guys be ready. And oh yeah, you guys comment down below, tell me what you guys what your favorite one is so far. I think my all-time favorite is the McLaren, just because I'm just such a big supercar guy. I just love supercars in general. My second favorite is my boat. So both of those are actually in a competition, but I know that once the McLaren is done with the full GT3 race car look build, that is just definitely going to just take over everything, and that's going to be my favorite car, and going to be super hard to get rid of until I find something that just absolutely takes me away and I gotta take it. But anyways, guys, like I said, comment down below. That is going to be it for today. Always remember, what we think, we become. Peace.